1 plus 1 gives us 2, and 4 times 2 equals 8. So, 8 divided by 8 equals 1. But this answer is not correct, because according to the order of operations, then first we have to do parentheses, then exponent, then multiplication or division, and finally addition or subtraction. Remember that multiplication and division have equal priority and we have to work from left to right. And the same applies to addition and subtraction. In this expression, we have 1 division, 1 multiplication, and 1 parentheses. Inside this parentheses, we have 1 addition. Here we have a multiplication because in mathematics, when a number is placed next to parentheses, it means multiplication, and we usually don't write the multiplication sign for brevity. Okay? So according to Pemdas, first we have to do this parentheses, then this division, and finally this multiplication. If we do this multiplication before this division, it is wrong. So first this parentheses. Inside this parentheses we have 1 plus 1, which equals 2. So 8 divided by 4 times 2. Now we have 1 division and 1 multiplication. As I said, multiplication and division have equal priority, and we have to work from left to right. So here first we have to do this division, then this multiplication. 8 divided by 4 gives us 2. So 2 times 2, which equals 4. And this is our final answer to this problem.